I show them what me jar coffee, you know.
Yeah, man.
Some people don't know the coffee.
A blast from the past.
All right. Now rinse out me basin.
Yes.
Rinse out me strainer.
Yeah.
And there's a man, a tidy man.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Then me cooking watch one last night.
I read, man.
Clean up, clean everything cleansing.
Yes. A cleanliness, a godliness, you know.
Cleanliness and godliness, all right now. We show you man make coffee, you know.
Yeah.
So man, when you talk about coffee,
Yeah.
you know, no man make coffee.
Yeah.
So they can show how he draw coffee.
Right, sir.
You got to go salt in a cup.
Yes.
You got sugar.
Yeah.
Black coffee, now make you know, milk in it.
Yes.
Right.